Hi students, this is Vijan Ranjana. Welcome to our online classes. Students, already we finishes our two chapter from our social studies. That is from first chapter, that is from home to, and in this chapter we have discussed about our solar system, universe, galaxy, and second chapter is Earth. Okay, and also I explained about all about Earth, what is Earth, and what is our planet also, that our planet name is Earth also. So students, today we are going to learn a new lesson. Okay, today we are going to study a new lesson, but before going to study about a new lesson, I would like to ask one question about Earth, because already second chapter finished. So I would like to ask, what is Earth? Can anyone tell me what is Earth? Very good students. Earth means it is our third planet from the sun and in our solar system. Okay students, all the things we already have studied from our second chapter. But students, today we are going to learn a new chapter. It is very related to our second chapter, Earth. Okay, so let me tell you that the name of the chapter is the world. Okay, the world. What do you mean by world? Students, look at carefully, what is world? I already explained students what is Earth and what is now where I am going to study about, I am going to teach about what is world. So there is a little difference between Earth and world. What is Earth? Just now I said it is a third planet from the sun in our solar system. Okay, and this is our third planet from the sun in our solar system. Third planet from the sun in our solar system. Only that is called our Earth. Means planet. Now I will say third planet. Means what do you mean by planet? So planet means a planet is a celestial body moving around the sun. Means planet is a celestial body moving around the sun. So celestial means heavenly, which is in space, which is in heaven. So this is called celestial body. So our planet name is Earth. Okay, so our planet name is called Earth. We know also before that. So now I will explain what is world. So there is only little difference between Earth and planet. Okay, just now I explained what is Earth. Now I would like to explain what is world. Okay, so world is nothing but it is whatever the things, means peoples, plants, animals, and all the countries and all the things, it may be living or it may be non-living things are including within the earth. It's called the world. Okay. So there is, I said you, just before I said you, there is a little difference. That is means earth and world. Earth means it is our third planet from the sun in our solar system. That our planet name is Earth. And what is world? World is nothing but whatever all the things, means peoples, plants, animals, and all the living and non-living things, and all the countries. Okay, not only our countries, the other countries are there, many countries are there, means India, Pakistan, China. So all the countries and their peoples and the all places and all the plants and all the animals are including within our earth. Okay, they are surviving, they are living on the our earth planet. So that is called world. Okay, so this is the little difference. So I will show you our third planet, that is Earth from the sun. See students, it is our planet, it is our solar system, it is our planet Earth. Means you see it is the third planet. There are 8 planets are there. Already I already told you. So this is the sun. First one is Mercury planet, second one is Venus, third one is our Earth. So Earth means it is our third planet from the sun. It is the third planet from the sun. That is name is called Earth. Means our planet name is Earth. Okay, in this on this earth, whoever the peoples, all the peoples, all the country, animals and other living and non-living things are surviving. They are living on this earth only. So these all are things are called world. Okay, so there is a difference between earth and world. Earth means it is our planet's name, and world means in this planet or in this our earth planet, whoever are living or non-living organisms are there, and all peoples are there, all countries are there, all places, different places are there, all plants are there, different plants are there, and all different animals also are there. So these all are refers to our world. Okay, students. So this is our difference between earth and our world. So this is our solar system. Like this, our other planets name also there: Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn. Planets name. These are the name of the planets. Like this, our planet's name is Earth. Wherever we are staying means we are living the our planet, that is Earth. Means life can exist only the our planet Earth only. So all the peoples, including animals, plants, and all the countries, different places are living in this earth only. So that is called our world. Okay, so this is our solar system. It is our third planet, earth. Okay, now I will say you our about world. See students, this is our world. Just now I said you, world is nothing but the all the countries and their peoples and their places and plants, animals and all the living and non-living things are including our earth is called world. See, this is our world map. See, this is in this world we are living. Means our India country is there and different other countries also are there here. Okay, other countries means China, Pakistan, South Africa, America. So there are different countries also are there. So these all countries and their places and their animals and all the plants and other places are all the things including our earth is called our world. So this is our world figure. Okay. So now students, I would like to say you students, how do you know about our planet Earth and how do you study about our world and how do you know that the more information about world or as well as our Earth. So to study about our Earth or to study about more information about our planet Earth, we made a small model of our Earth, that is called globe. Okay, to study more about, to know more information about our Earth and our world, we made a small model of our Earth, that is called globe. That through this we can know more information about our planet or on our Earth, or that is called our world. Okay, so that is called globe. So globe is a small model of our Earth planet. Okay, so let me show you the globe. See student, it is looks like exactly looks like our planet Earth. See students, I will show you. See how our planet. This is our planet Earth. Exactly, it is looks like our planet Earth. So it is called globe because to know more information about our Earth or our planet Earth, we made a small model, that is called, this is called globe. Because our Earth is very big and very huge also, we cannot know about this. Okay, simply we cannot observe also. So for to know more information about it, what happened? Scientists made a small model of our Earth, that is called our globe. Okay, so see how the planet is looks like here, our Earth planet. Here also I am holding a exactly the our planet Earth. Okay, so to know more information about our Earth globe, we made a small model of our Earth. That is called small model of our earth. It is called our globe. Okay. So see how our India is there also. See, this is our India country, and other state or other countries are also there, means China, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and South Africa, America. So all the countries are Bhutan. All countries are also are there in this globe. Okay. So it is a small model of our earth. So that is called globe. Now students, we are going to study about know about the history of our earth. Okay, history of our earth. See students, first of all we learn what is earth, means it is the third planet from the sun in the solar system. What is planet? It is a planet, is a celestial body or heavenly body moving around the sun. That planet name is called earth. That planet name is called earth. Okay. Now what is world? World refers to all the peoples, animals, plants, other living and non-living things, and all the countries found in earth planet is called the world. Now we will study about the some history about the earth. How earth was born. Okay. So let me tell you, earth was born many long years ago. Minimum 4.6 billion ago earth was born. Okay. When it at the time when earth was looks like a fireball, means full of ball balls. Balls of full of dust and gases. Okay. So earth was born 4.6 billion years ago. Okay. At that time how was it looks? It looks like a burning balls full of dust and gases. Slowly what happened, many years after, when many years gone, what happened? It becomes cool down. Okay. It becomes cool down and it becomes turns into a hard rocky crust. See students, before it was once burning balls of gas and dust. After long years it becomes cool and forms solid rocky crust. Means after long times, it is always not burning. So after long times what happens? Our earth is that burning balls becomes solid rocky crust. Okay. Means how we are observing our earth from space looks like that. Okay. So again what happened? After long years ago, slowly it forms atmosphere. That atmosphere we know nowadays. So that atmosphere formed. How it was formed? It was formed the full of dust and water vapor. Again after atmospheric what happened? Clouds were formed. That clouds turns into rains. Okay. That clouds form rains, and that rains turns into water, a huge amount of water. Okay students, understood? That huge amount of water turns come to our earth's surface, and it make a large and huge amount of seas and oceans. Understood students? Let me tell you once again. First of all, earth was born 4.6 billion years ago, means crore years ago it was born. Before it was burning balls of gas and dust. How was it looks before? It was looks like a burning balls full of dust and gas. After long years ago, what happened? It is slowly cooled down. Our earth was that burning ball is cooled down, and it makes or it formed solid rocky crust. Okay. Then what happened after long years ago? Slowly atmosphere formed. Okay. Now what you are observing the atmosphere? It was formed slowly, and atmosphere formed. That atmosphere is full of water vapor and dust. Okay. Then what happened again the clouds were formed. That clouds turns into the rains. That clouds turns into the rains, and that rains come to the train turns into the water, and that water comes to our earth surface. Okay, it returns to our earth surface, and it formed a huge amount of earth or ocean or water bodies in our earth. I will show you, don't worry. I will show you the oceans and seas. How the large amount of when clouds that turns into rains, then the rains turns into water. That water comes to our earth surface. That it made a huge amount of water bodies in our earth surface. If it is our earth, you see, it is for earth when clouds turns into rains and rain turns into the water, it made a huge amount of seas and ocean in our earth surface. See, this is our earth plate, it is our earth planet earth, and this is only this part is maximum part means of water, and this part is only land part. Okay, maximum it was 71% of water. 71% of water and 29% of land. Okay, so that is large part of water body. It is makes seas and ocean and large oceans. That large oceans are connected with a large landmass is called continent. Understood, students? Let me tell you once again. When clouds were turns into rains turns into water, and that water came to our earth surface, and it made a huge amount of water bodies on our earth surface. That large amount or huge amount of water bodies, we gave the name, some geologists gave the name of, that is called seas or oceans. Okay, so there are many different types of oceans are there in our earth, or that is in our planet earth, and land part also are there. So that large huge amount of water bodies is called oceans, and the land part of our earth body is called continent. Let's see. Large land masses of earth is called continent. So this is the large amount of water in our earth, and very small amount of land part of our earth. Okay, so if it is our earth, this percent only 71% of is full of water. This is the water. Okay, 71. Only 29% are land part is there in our earth. So I will show you through the world map, students. See, students, this is our world map. Before going to show you this, I will show you the globe once again. See, students, this is our globe is earth. See, the blue color is refers to water. You see, full of water. I said here full of water, 71% of water and 29% of our land part. Like land part, so like this blue part is called full of water, and this blue part, however you are seeing the blue color, this is the full of water, and this color is refers to only land part of our earth. These are the land part, and these are the land part, and blue color part is called our water bodies, means it is called oceans. Okay, so there are different oceans are there. I will tell you, students. So see, same that is globe I show you. It is our also world, okay, and it is our planet Earth. We cannot see at a time exactly at a time our whole world. So we made a flat map. It is our world map. Okay, students. So see, students, this is our world map, and the blue part I said you in blue. This is the water bodies. Okay, these are called oceans, big oceans, and this part is called land part. It is called continent. The land part, large land masses of earth is called continent. Large land masses of our earth is called continent. Means which are land part of our earth means where we are staying. Okay, all forest and our houses are there. That part is called continent. And water part means water bodies are called oceans and sea. So there are different oceans are there. North Pacific Oceans and North Atlantic Oceans, South Atlantic Oceans, Indian Oceans. So there are different oceans are there. But geologic fifth oceans name given the Southern Ocean. Okay, students, Southern Oceans. Some geologists gave the fifth ocean's name Southern Oceans. Understood, students? What is land? What is continent? And what is oceans? The large amount of land masses of our earth. Land masses of our earth is called continent, and water bodies, large huge amount of water bodies of our earth is called oceans. Understood, students? I hope all of you understood clearly. So what is earth and what is the difference between earth and world and oceans and continent? Once again I will repeat what is earth and what is world and what is oceans and what is continent. Earth means it is a third planet from the sun in our solar system. World means in this earth or on this earth, whoever are living organism or non-living organism, it may be peoples or animals or birds and plants, all the countries are including within our earth, that is called our world. Okay, and what is oceans? Large amount or huge amount of water bodies in our earth surface, you see, that is called oceans. And the large land masses are called large. This is the land masses where we are staying and different countries are there, that is called large land masses are called continent. Understood, students? I hope all of you understood. So thank you very much, students. Next class we will start what is mountains, hills, valley. So thank you, students. Take care.